trading is like art. It takes a lot of creativity, a lot of focus, a lot of discipline. And yeah, but it's the best paying job in the world, let me tell you that. It's been amazing, guys. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again. Man, yesterday was a beautiful day. I hope you all have banged on that trade as well. I've shared this trade with everybody for free in my Telegram channel. If you're not inside yet, check the links in the description down below. Join the free Telegram channel. I've shared this trade exactly when I got in with everybody. This trade turned out to be a beautiful trade. I banked 12% yesterday, nearly 12%. I made $118,912 on this trade, and it was beautiful, man. Let me tell you that. Overall, let me go over the results for this year so far, because yeah, it's been a blessing, guys. I made $846,000 already, which is nearly 85% in 3 months and 13 days. That's crazy. That's ridiculously good, man. But yeah, that's the result of hard work, discipline, dedication, creativity, patience. Trading is like art. It takes a lot of creativity, a lot of focus, a lot of discipline. And yeah, but it's the best paying job in the world, let me tell you that. It's been amazing, guys. So we are going to talk about the trade that we took yesterday. I'm going to show you exactly why I took the trade and what I was thinking will happen and why it happened and why it exactly happened as I told you guys. So let's get into the charts. This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they're making an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. So let's start what we had on the daily here, guys. So as you all know, there was a pretty significant high that we took out already. And as you can see, the market is kind of ranging, but it's pretty much dropping down. And I see on the daily time frame yesterday, I saw a little imbalance in here. Shout out to Michael J. Huddleston, ICT. Saw a little imbalance in here, so I was like, okay. And we had, of course, we had significant lows in here as well. These two lows on the daily time frame, you see that. And I was like, okay, the market will probably go below that and get down to maybe the 12,800 level to before showing us another push to the upside. I think it's still possible to reach for that high in here, but it was not ready yet. So I was looking for sell opportunities. And now let's go to a little bit lower time frame. As you can see, what happened yesterday, you can clearly see it in here. We took out that high and it got rejected pretty aggressive. So yeah, let's go to the 1 hour time frame and then you can see it much better. So I think what we had today's Thursday, right? So Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So what we had on Monday, guys, first of all, the market came down and it left a lot of liquidity sitting down here, a lot of orders sitting down here. You see that? A lot of orders below these significant lows. This was one of my targets, because the business to the upside was already made, and you can see that the market was at around 8:30 New York time. The market was going up, pulled a lot of buyers into the market, let me tell you that. but it got rejected. It got rejected pretty aggressive. As you can see, it was on the 50-minute chart. It was not even able to close above the high. So it was just wicking up and coming down. So we broke structure, guys. Pretty clear. We broke the structure. Pretty clear. From this huge push, we started to go down. You see that? On the 2-minute time frame, you see that. Market was coming down, and then at around 9:30 we had a little push to the downside, a little push to the upside, and on this candle I saw, man, we need to get in and sell this thing with a stop above here. I didn't want to put my stop above here because this structure should not be broken, man. If this thing wants to go down, it will just go down, and this one went down pretty quick and aggressive. My first target was somewhere around in here. It got hit pretty quick. I took profits in here, closed 80% of my position, and I was already up $80,000 at that point. I've closed $80,000 within from 9:30 to 9:46. In 15 minutes, I made 8%, $80,000. 8% profit in just 15 minutes, guys. That's crazy. Yeah, then the market pulled back a little bit, and at around big figure number 13,000, you can see it started to range a little bit, and I was getting in, guys. On these 2 consecutive downward candles, I stepped into the market with another sell. I already had my stop and break even here at that point, of course, and then I scaled in again at this point in here, had my stop sitting somewhere above. And my target, of course, was still these equal lows from Monday and Friday. I wanted to see them go get slashed through. At the end of the day, I was not patient enough to hold this trade for the whole session. And it was not necessary because I was loading that shit up. I had like 20 lots left on that one. Like my last 20% of the position was still in the game at stop at break even, and then I loaded it up. And yeah, I doubled my position size, let's say like that. I got 2 entries with 10 lot, so 10 lot, and I had still 20 lot running. So I closed another 40 lots down at the 12,900 level on the next push, on the second leg. Somewhere in here I got out. Could have been a little bit more, like 30 points more, but I was not interested in that, to be honest. And you see that pullback that we faced after that. A lot of profit taking took place in here. We took profits. I think a lot of other sellers took profits. A lot of others intraday traders took profits in there. And this was a beautiful trade, guys. And as you remember, in the last video, we've talked about the problem of having this regret feeling of missing out on a big run. I mean, you close profits, you close your whole positions, and then this thing starts to fly, and it goes even further. And what I did, I told you that the only thing that you can do to prevent that is to take profits at the first easiest targets. Take like 70, 80, 90% off the table, pay yourself, and then let the rest run. Try to manage the position. Try to catch this home run with just a little bit of the position size. And this is exactly what I did to show you guys what you can do. I was loading that shit up, took 2 more entries. I banked 80,000, and I had a risk of around, let's say, 5 or 10,000 in the game when I was loading it up with my stop at break even for the first position. So I was trying to get another 50,000 with like 10k risk, which is a 1-to-5 risk reward ratio, with my loaded up position with just a small piece of my position. And this is what you should do as well, guys, just to make sure to get your emotions right, you know. I mean, of course, this trade could have hit my stop. I would have smaller my profit from 80,000 to 70,000. But at least I gave the market a chance to fill my pocket with a bigger move and bank another 30, 40,000. In that case, it was another $40,000 in my pocket, nearly, I think 38 or something. But yeah, it feels really good, man, if you're able to ride this whole move, man. And yeah, overall the trade was from 9:30 till 11 o'clock New York time, which is 1.5 hours, man, for 120,000. That's good. And if you want to learn how to do that, how to get consistent, if you're a struggling trader or if you're looking for a strategy, man, just drop me a private message in Telegram, all right? I'm there to help you when I have time. When I have time, I can chat with you. I have a lot of valuable stuff to share with you to help you get on top, get your trading game on the next level, man. So yeah, feel free to contact me if you need me, and join the free Telegram channel to make sure to stay updated and to follow my trades, to see what I do and learn from that. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Wish you a great day, man. Take care. Peace.